In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove your Godaddy account permanently. If you're looking to close your Godaddy account for good, you're in the right place. I'll guide you step by step through this straightforward process, ensuring that you can follow along with ease. Let's begin by opening a web browser and heading over to the Godaddy website. Once you're there, you'll want to visit the section for domain names, websites, hosting, and online marketing tools. This is where everything related to your Godaddy services is housed. Next, you'll need to sign in to your account. To do this, simply click on the Sign In button, which you'll find in the upper right corner of the page. If you've used Godaddy before, this should look familiar to you. After clicking Sign In, I recommend selecting the Sign In with Google option for convenience. A lot of users prefer this method as it streamlines the login process without the hassle of remembering yet another password. After you've successfully logged in, navigate to the Godaddy homepage. This should automatically display after you've signed in. Here, you'll have an overview of all the products and services tied to your account. Take a moment to review your account details to ensure everything is in order before beginning the account removal process. Now, return to the section for domain names, websites, hosting, and online marketing tools. This will serve as your starting point for further action. Within this area, you'll find a Contact Us option. Click on it to proceed. Once the Contact Us page is open, you'll want to find the Chat Now button. Clicking this will initiate a live chat session with Godaddy support. It's important to know that deleting your Godaddy account isn't something you can complete on your own. You'll need assistance from customer service. The chat option is efficient and tends to be the quickest way to get your account closure request processed. Be sure to have your account details handy, such as your account number or any recent transaction IDs, just in case they need to verify your identity. During the chat, express clearly that you wish to delete your account permanently. The support representative will guide you through the final steps, confirming your request before proceeding with the account closure. And there you have it. You've now completed all the steps necessary to remove your Godaddy account permanently. Following this process should help ensure everything is handled promptly and correctly. Remember, it's always a good idea to back up any important data before initiating account deletion, just in case you need it in the future. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please consider subscribing for more tech tips and tutorials. Until next time, take care,